How beautiful is nature? How generous is nature? Nature or Prakriti has provided us with abundance of everything. While it is our responsibility not to abuse what is given, it is for us to take note of things and use them wisely. Hello everyone, I am Hema and you're welcome to my channel Hema's Health Hub. Today, I shall share with you a plant that works no less than a wonder when consumed regularly. It is called as Punarnava in Sanskrit. Punarnava literally translates to renewing or rejuvenating. When cooked and consumed regularly, our whole body undergoes a huge transformation. Here, I am separating the tender stalks. We need to nip the stalk along with the leaves wherever it is tender or easily breakable. While it is used to cure many ailments in our body, it is most used to treat kidney disorders. The link to a delicious recipe using Punarnava leaves is given in the description box. Do check it out. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.